my thing crazy. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today, obviously, I'm a bald head scallywag. Okay, I'm about to try this hair company from Amazon. I wanted a bob, so I ended up ordering this one. And I do not remember because I bought another piece of hair too, and I forgot how much it was. But I'll leave it down below how much it was. But I got this hair from Zoe Hair on Amazon. This the bag it came in. And then, ooh, it came with little, I don't know, some little stocking cap. Some invisible fishnet, brown fishnet cap. I don't know, I don't use them. Then here's the wig. I got it in a 10-inch, but baby girl, you're looking more 8. This is a closure wig. It's supposed to be Brazilian, unprocessed. It's supposed to be 10-inch, but it looks 8, okay? But we'll see when I put it on my head. This is the parting for it. When I put on wigs, I always tie this. I always tie this because the wig be too big for my head. And for it to be snug on my head, I always tie the drawstrings in the back. So this came with 1 clip, 2 clips. Oh wait, that's 3 clips. Oh my God. It came with 3 clips, y'all. This part obviously not gonna work. It's not me at all. So I'm about to take this, and I got like a little bit of foundation. I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation and put it on the part and on the inside of this, like the beginning part of this part. I'll show you when I'm done. I done cut the lace. Lace is cut. So now I'm about to take my brush and do the inside. Makeup I'm using is Dream from Maybelline. I don't really like this makeup and it's kind of oily, so I use it for everything else. Here's how it looks in the inside. Once I'm done, blah, blah, blah. This is how it looks. So, let's put this wig on. I'm scared. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. What the freak? Oh my God. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Okay, so this wig really don't need, look at this. Yeah, I don't really need no glue, but y'all already know I'm gonna glue this, so no, I ain't gonna glue it. So let's do this part, because this is not it, baby girl, baby boy. Oh, okay. So the part goes all the way back there, y'all. Okay. Now, I always pluck using my hands. I just do.
Perfect.
Okay, I opened up a part a little bit. Let me see, hold up. I think I need to do it more in the front, because I like when the front is like a little, I don't know, a little open. And it kind of look, yeah, a little squiggly line. So I didn't really pluck too much towards this part. Like I only like got like a little thin layer and started plucking it, but in the back I'm trying to open it up. Let me see. Okay, so this part is perfect. Okay, let me just put a little bit right here, so the little line that you can't really see a line, but I'm like real specific. In real life, you can tell the difference, and we ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna just go back and add a little bit. Oh, I meant to tell y'all. Of course, signature lashes. They gotta give you the lashes. Gotta give you the lashes. I'm not about to worry. So I got this from the dollar store. It was $1 from Dollar Tree or whatever. I'm about to put it up here. Up here. So I can make sure all the little flyaways is fluting down, staying down. So do this. And then okay. So now that I'm looking like Lorena Bobbitt, let's go back and flat iron this mess because sis, no. And I might like do a little trimming. Y'all might see that. I don't know. We'll see how it looks when I flat iron it. Okay, so I like how it's flat ironing. I like how it's flat ironing because Dorothy on this side was not going for, I wasn't going for it. I wasn't going for it. And I'm not really flat ironing the hair because it's already straight. I'm just like kind of bumping it in areas where it needs to be like, or unbumping it, I guess. Cause child, no. What was you thinking? She gon' go on the side of my leg. Oh, I don't need to cut nothing. I've always wanted a wig like this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm liking you. Oh, and I don't really like for companies to cut a wig before I try to cut it. Cause y'all, they I don't know what they be doing. But baby, I don't really do the back too much. I just grab this middle part. Cause the middle really be doing its own little thing. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, all it needed was a little flat iron, baby. Let me show y'all the back though. Y'all tell me how the back look. I'm dropping stuff. But this is it. And the part is real deep. The part is real deep, y'all. I like it. I'm done with this. I just wanted to show y'all. Oh, you know what? Should I give myself a little swoopy swoop? For some reason, I cannot find my daggone razor. So we just gonna use this. And I'm just taking like a part of this from this side. Let me just cut it. So instead of spraying it directly on you, just spray it on your hand and just like go like that. Just swoop it to the other side. Oh no, that did not go the way I thought it was gonna go, Charlie. Okay. And now swoop it to the side and hold it, cause that's what matters. Okay. That's my little synthetic swoop, y'all. Okay, so it is straight for the most part, like, but if you wanted to like a real straight bob, you can get the cutting, but for the most part, this is very straight. This is very straight, and I like it. I always wanted me a cut like this, but I'm not cutting my hair. No, we're not gonna do that. But yes, bob and weave, baby. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna leave the link to all the stuff I used in my video down below, including the wig, y'all. Child. Oh, and it was cheap. But as far as the 10 inches go, I don't know about 10 inches, but I ain't complaining because I like it, and it was cheap. And I can already see I'm about to be messing with this. I might put some streaks in it, y'all. I don't know. It's so cute though. But all right, y'all, this was the end of this review. For my review, I would give this a 10 because obviously you already know I look like a little bomb shit niggity neck, okay? Yeah, I said it. Okay, I look good. The fuck? Oh, and I ain't have to cut my hair. Okay, stay still. Okay, y'all, this is the end of this video. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and to the next wig, y'all. Might be next week. Who knows? Always got another wig on my head. All right, y'all, I'm out.